Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of affordable shower routines. Because let's be real, glowing skin shouldn't cost a fortune, right? I'm going to share all of my secret tricks for maintaining excellent body confidence and getting that glass skin dreams without spending over budget. So let's start. Step 1. The cleanse. Pay attention to the body and face wash. I clean my face softly and without scent. Without removing the natural oils from my skin, it gets rid of daily dirt and makeup. Particularly in the winter, I prefer to alternate between a body wash that hydrates my skin and a little wash that cleanses more. Avoid using really hot water. Your skin may get dry from it. Your best buddy is lukewarm water. Step 2. Scrubbing. Not required, but advantageous. Removing dead skin cells and encouraging smoother, brighter skin can be achieved with the optional step of skin scrubbing. A couple of times a week, I give my elbows and knees areas prone to dryness or roughness a little scrub. However, avoid overdoing it, since too much scrubbing might hurt your skin. Step 3. Shaving. Pay attention to product selection and technique. Okay, let's talk about shaving. It might be difficult to deal with razor rashes and itchiness, especially. My secret tool? An excellent shaving gel or cream. Look for a moisturizer that is designed to suit skin of all types. While shaving, take your time and use gentle strokes in the direction that the hair grows. Additionally, remember to regularly replace your razor blade. Step 4. Apply the face mask, a weekly routine for an added shine. I treat myself to a face mask once a week. This is an excellent method for restoring the nutrients and moisture in your skin, or even target specific issues like dullness or acne. You may locate a sheet mask or clay mask that works for you and your budget in pharmacies, because they are so easily available at affordable rates. The body conditioner. Step 5. For additional hydration. I love to use body conditioner for an added boost of moisture, especially after shaving. It is effective at holding in moisture and is similar to a richer, heavier lotion. Most pharmacies provide affordable options. Step 6. Moisturizer for face and body. The final touch. I always rub my skin dry after a shower. I never massage it. And then I moisturize my face with a mild, fragrance-free moisturizer. This helps maintain the hydration and plumpness of my skin all day. Remember to take care of your body as well. To keep your skin looking smooth and healthy, cover with some lotion. Step 7. Remember the extras. Self-care and hair care. While spending time in the shower is the main focus of this schedule, don't forget about hair care. Select a conditioner that fits the type of hair you want. Naturally, while you're in there, give yourself some care. Use a relaxing shower steamer, light a candle, or play some music. Turn it into a little spa day. Step 8. The cool down. Advantages of using cool water to end. Right before you finish your shower, switching the water to cool for a few seconds. As a result, all the moisture from your products has been locked in and your pores are closed. Additionally, it may give your skin a more aware and refreshed feeling. Step 9. The towel trick. Use a microfiber towel to gently dry. Get rid of the rough towels, get a soft microfiber cloth, and gently dry your skin. Your skin won't be irritated by these incredibly soft and absorbing towels. Instead of rubbing, gently dry your skin to save excessive irritation. Alright guys, that's it for today's shower routine. Hopefully this video has given you some new affordable ways of getting glowing, healthy skin. Always remember that consistency is the key, and your skin will thank you if you follow this routine. Please share your thoughts about your most reasonably priced shower items in the comments section below. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to become a part of the family and get more beauty tips and inspiration for self-care. Till we meet again, look after that gorgeous skin of yours.